And I am back with the regular content where in the same, usual setup that I usually used back then. Well, not back then, it just feels like back then because it's been 2 weeks. So, we're back. And today we get to show the vlogging setup that I used in the last 2 videos I did for vlogs for either iPhones, phones, any phone that you're using to vlog, basically. That was a lot more awkward than I wanted it to be, but let's go ahead and get started with that. So my name is Kyle Kenrick, and in this channel you find anything and everything filmmaking. And also, if you look right over here, all my links to follow me and follow the social networks, or whenever I upload or whenever I just want to post random stuff, it's gonna be right over here in Twitter, Instagram, and of course in the bottom right there. Well, my right, I'm not sure. Yeah, subscribe. So this is the kit. I'm not gonna bother showing you this. I've shown you this a lot of times already in my past other vlogging kits during either my Sony a6000 or the Sony a6400 that you're watching me from right now. This tripod is always around in most of my videos. So you could probably see it in one of those videos beforehand, but I'm just not going to show this one since you've probably seen it a million times. Also, DSLR video shooter guide person, Caleb, basically, has shown this as well, so you've probably seen it already. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the mount that holds it onto the tripod and what holds the microphone as well. It is the Ulanzi ST03 model. It is full metal, which is great. It might be a little noisy, like you can hear it there, but you don't actually hear that when it's tightened already. The best feature about this though is the fact that all the feet on it are foldable, and you can set it back with this knob right on the top if you are watching, because it's taking quite a long time. And look how small that is. That is, in comparison to my hand, that is like half of my hand. It is foldable, durable, and accessible whenever you need it to be. This thing could easily now fit in your pocket, your bag, your mouth. Don't put it in your mouth. But that's just basically it for that one. I picked this one because I like full metal items, I like hefty items, things that makes the well, whatever you're shooting with, like the camera or whatever, more heavy, so that when you're filming it actually stays more stable since you have to use a lot more effort. Some people might not like that, but the fact is that it's so minimal that it's hefty but also portable. That's why I picked this one. Next up is a microphone. Now you've seen this specific microphone so many times in so many other videos that I don't think I even need to say anything. It's the let's see if it focuses. The Rode Vid Micro, right over here with the cat. And you have to buy a special little cable though separately, just so that you could use it for phones. And you might need an adapter if your phone doesn't have a well, audio input. So you might need to have one of those dongles just to make it work. But honestly, with the quality that you get from Rode or any other microphone, to be honest, because there's the Movo one that's great as well, and it's actually a lot louder. You can edit it a lot easier if you're just starting out, and it's cheaper. You will still need a lot of these inputs in there, and it will allow you to have better audio. Audio is probably the most important thing about a video that nobody notices. I mean, look at all the punches inside of movies. Those are fake sounds, and somebody had to do those. They are like the ninjas of the filmmaking world. And then the last two is actually really optional in your case, or in my case as well. Honestly, I just did it just because I wanted an anamorphic lens, but we'll get more into that in a minute. First of all, these two are optional due to the fact that you should probably buy them once you get used to vlogging with your phone, getting more comfortable using it, learning techniques, learning your style. So the two items that are optional is going to be kind of combined. It is a moment case that can have an adapter where you could put your lens, moment lens onto them. And the moment lens I chose is an anamorphic one because it's the most cinematic looking. It has those anamorphic lens flares that J.J. Abrams just absolutely loves. And then there are other ones like a telephoto lens. There's also one that is a wide angle lens, so those you'll just get used to eventually. And they do improve your footage, but you need to know how to use your camera first. So I'd suggest learning that and then upgrading to those, because those are pretty pricey. Like altogether, I think it's around $160 what I spent on just to make my phone footage look better. But I haven't personally used those yet. I will be reviewing it soon, right after I go from bottom to top with this kit. And as you notice, this kit is actually meant for a lot of efficiency and portability. The reason for that is because if you're a vlogger and you don't want to have any hullabaloo or anything involved except just you and the camera and your lifestyle, the best thing to use is honestly your phone. So what else is portable with your phone? This tripod, which is right here, fits in your pocket super easily. This fits in your pocket also super easily. This is smaller than my wallet. And the microphone, yeah, it might be big, but sometimes you don't even need to start out with it. And if you're just starting out as a beginner at vlogging, it is a great beginner kit because it allows you to be always filming. But that's it for this video, honestly. This is gonna be very short and sweet because there's gonna be a lot more phone content soon with this whole kit, and also involving how to film and how to in-body phone transitions instead of having to edit them, because sometimes that's just a bother and sometimes it just looks amazing, like this shot right here in my last vlog. This is one of my favorite shots, and it looks like one of those one-take things, and I just absolutely loved it. There's also other transitions that are just fun to do, which I'll show you in later videos. And if you guys want to check out my last two vlogs to see how this looks, just go ahead and click up in the I button, wherever that is. It is going to be linked there. Somewhat lastly, if you have anything that you want me to review or talk about or show on how to do on my channel, just go ahead and put it down in the comments. That way I know what to do and help you guys out and help me out to kind of, well, create content for you guys. So that is it though. And if this video helped out with you guys, just go ahead and show how much it helped out by liking down there. It really shows what type of content that you guys want me to do more in this channel. And don't forget to follow me in the links that are gonna appear in the end of the video. And if you want to see more, subscribe. Also, by the way, all the stuff that I just showed you right now is gonna be linked down below at no cost to you guys. It's just gonna help out my channel. Now that I whispered that little plug in, because plugs are plugs, just go ahead and, of course, dream on.